Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. Therefore, 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Multiply. Again 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Now minus 4 multiply minus 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is completely wrong. Okay. So what's the correct answer? Let's solve this problem correctly by using PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. P means first priority is parenthesis, A means then exponent, then multiplication and division have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Then also addition and subtraction have same priority, and we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now first priority is parenthesis. Therefore, first we have to solve this part. Okay. So is equal to 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is equal to 4. Now second priority is in this problem, here is a multiplication. Therefore, second priority is multiplication. So 1 for minus 4 multiply minus 5 is equal to plus 20 is equal to, now third priority is addition. 1 plus 20 is equal to 20. Therefore, the correct answer is 21. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education.